Hello students, let us discuss text exercise question number 22. It relates to the topic isoelectronic species. First of all, let us discuss what is isoelectronic species. The species that can be an atom or an ion having same number of electrons, then it is called as isoelectronic species. So, whichever species which can be an atom or an ion, if it have the same number of electrons, then that species are called as isoelectronic species, means same number of electron. So, let us do a problem. In the basis of that, you will be more clear about isoelectronic species. Question number 22. Which of the following are isoelectronic species? That means those have same number of electrons. So here some ions are given and one atom is given, that is sodium ion, potassium ion, magnesium ion, calcium ion, then sulfide ion and argon. So we need to find out from these which one are isoelectronic. So isoelectronic species having same number of electrons as we have discussed in the definition. So let us find out the number of electrons. First of all, we'll finding for sodium atom. Sodium atom atomic number is 11. So it have 11 number of electron. But for the case of sodium ion, because positive charge is found means there is a loss of one electron. So when we remove one electron from 11 electron, we'll be getting 10. So in the sodium ion, there is one electron less than the sodium metal. So we can say that the number of electron in Na plus ion is equal to 10. Let us take for the case of potassium ion. Potassium ion, when you find out in the same way as we have done for sodium ion, when you find out its atomic number and remove one electron from that, you will be getting 18. K plus ion is having 18 number of electron. Magnesium ion, when you find it out, it have 12 atomic number. From this 2 electron is lost, so number of electron left is 10. Calcium ion, atomic number is 20, but after the loss of 2 electron, now the number of electron remains 18. So we got the number of electron in these. Next, in the case of sulfide ion, atomic number of sulfur is 16, but sulfide ion, that means having 2 negative charge, the negative charge is formed due to the gain of electron by the species. So that means it has gained 2 electron. So atomic number is 16 plus 2. 2 electron is gained. So we got 18. So the number of electron in sulfide ion is 18. And the case of argon, because its atomic number is 18 and because it is an atom as it is not an ion. So in the case of atom, as it is, you can keep the atomic number as number of electron. Therefore, it is equal to 18. So we have find it out the number of electron in the different species. So we got like this. Sodium ion and magnesium ion having 10 electrons in each. K plus, that is potassium ion, calcium ion and sulfide ion, and even the argon having same number of electron, that is 18. So we can say that sodium ion and magnesium ion are the isoelectronic species, and potassium ion, calcium ion, sulfide ion and argon is an electronic species. So whenever you got such type of questions, find it out the number of electrons present in it. If it is positively charged, you have to remove that much of electron from that atomic number. So you'll be getting the number of electron in that. And in the case of negatively charged ion, you need to add that much of electrons depending upon the charge. If it is one negative charge, add one electron. If 2 negative charge, add 2 electron. So in this way you can find it out the number of electron present in a negatively charged ion and compare that which one have same number of electron, that will be the isoelectronic species. So this type of questions are quite important for the exam purpose. So you need to practice such type of question. Thank you everyone.